how's it going? Today we're going to draw Red from Netflix's The Sea Beast. It's going to be step-by-step, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, brand new at drawing, you're going to be able to draw this, okay? Really short lesson, so let's just hop right in and not waste any time. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the horn. He's going to be facing front, by the way, on this one. I'm going to go right here, draw a line up for the horn. And I'm going to pull a line down. All right. I'm going to go over here, and the nostrils are kind of at the base of this, so I'm going to go over here and draw a line right here, kind of like in the way of that. A line right there, you know, for the nostrils. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over and I'm going to find the eyes over here. I'm going to draw a line up over here, up over here, line over here, up, line over here, up. All right. Curve for the brow, and this is gonna go upward to the head area, and I'm gonna kind of throw a line over here and kind of connect it over here on the other side. All right, I'm gonna draw the head's gonna kind of go out a little bit, curve out. Go over here, same thing, curve out. He's got a little bit of the same kind of head that like Toothless has from what's it called? How to Train Your Dragon. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna just draw a line underneath for basically underneath the underneath the mouth there. Gonna go over here, pull up, over here, pull up. And I'm going to draw the line over here for the actual kind of mouth, you know? So he's kind of mad, but he's not like super mad. He's not showing his teeth or anything like that. He's just kind of mad looking at us. And I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a eye right there and the black part of the eye right here. Curve down. Line in here. Line in here. Line over here. I'm gonna expand the nostrils a little bit, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go way to the edge, pull a line down over here, down over here, and it's gonna go out a little bit for the shoulders there. Okay. Doing pretty good, pretty good. I'm going to draw little thin lines over here along the horn. Nothing too wild, because he doesn't have a lot of texture on him, by the way. You know, so a lot of it is this thin lines as you're pushing it, you know? Like thin lines that create some form of texture, but for the most part, he's relatively smooth. So kind of draw him relatively smooth, for the most part. And I would say the smoothest thing you can do is to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm trying to work on transitions, can you tell? Smooth thing would be to, if you like learning how to draw anything and you're a beginner and you don't really know how to draw stuff, absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post a lot. I post 3 drawings every single day, 3 drawing lessons, all for beginners and on different topics. It could be on Godzilla, it could be Sonic, it could be dinosaurs. I draw a lot of dinosaurs. It could be animals, anything. Hit that subscribe, click the bell notification, and there's no downside to it in any way. Like there's no downside at all. All right, let's go over here, and I'm gonna go and one of the last things I'm gonna do, and I do this. Well, first I'm gonna draw a little bit of a bag under the eye here, line under the eye, just to kind of make it look set in there. Otherwise, it doesn't look set in. You know, it's gonna look floating on the paper there. So the last thing I'm gonna do here, and there's something else you can do that I know he doesn't really have, but you can do this. Draw some teeth sticking down right here. His teeth don't normally stick outside of his mouth, but I think it can be pretty cool, can bring a lot of character to it. So last thing I would do is to draw a thicker line only on the outside. And since the outside's relatively simple, you're gonna have to be careful with that. Say hi to anybody in the comments there. What's up? You guys are awesome. Anyone that says hi in the comments is amazing. I'll reply to every single comment. Just keep that in mind. Every single comment I'm gonna say, hey, what's up, personally. If you have any art that you want to show, go show it on the Instagram. Just hashtag easy pictures to draw, and I will share it on the channel. Right? I'll share it. I'll kind of feature it. I'll be like, hey, what's up? This person drew this. Absolutely do that. And I'm gonna fix this underline here. I think it's a little faded, so I'm gonna do that. But see, it's relatively easy, right? It's all these simple shapes. You can see kind of a very square head. This is him looking straight forward. So kind of keep that in mind, when you're thinking about this stuff. But love the cartoon. There's something else I'm going to add. If you want to add anything else, make him look big. You can add clouds behind him over here, like really thin clouds here, maybe like that. Just kind of randomly. Just making them look like bubbles or something, and make the line thinner. Right? Make it thinner so that it looks a little bit more atmospheric. Okay, throw some little bit of stuff in there too. So same thing over here. It's kind of random like that. Just completely random like that. Over here on this side. And that's it. I want to thank you very much. You guys are amazing. If you want to help the channel out, there's something you can do. That is to share the video anywhere. Share it on Twitter. Share it on Facebook. I'm going to start selling stickers on here because I think they're really cool. I went to Comic-Con and I'm like, wow, I want to do that. So hold me to it, guys. Let me know. Say, hey, what's up? You got to sell stickers. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon. And say hi to me, okay? In the comments section, I'll say hi back. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.